Pangarap mo bang matuto kung papaano mag-drive ng isang forklift pero hindi mo alam kung papaano ka magsisimula? Alamin sa video nito kung ano nga ba ang maaaring matutunan at kung papaano ginagawa ang training sa forklift.
Basic principles. Understanding the stability of a powered industrial truck will be easier once you understand a few basic principles. The forklift's wheelbase, or distance between the center line of the vehicle's front and rear wheels, the track, or the distance between wheels on the same axle of the truck, and height, as well as the location of the counterweight and the load's distribution, all affect how it will handle. Almost all forklifts balance the weight of the load on the forks with the weight of the engine and heavy metal plates called the counterbalance on the rear of the truck. Think of a forklift as a seesaw, with the front wheels as the balance point or fulcrum. As long as the force of the weight and height of the load remain less than the force of the weight of the counterbalance in the rear of the truck, the forklift will not tip forward. The force of moving, turning, and the load's height and balance on the forks can easily tip the truck from side to side. Tip-overs are the most serious and largest percentage of all forklift accidents. An imaginary triangle is formed on the three-point suspension of the forklift. This triangle is called the stability triangle and is formed from the front drive tires and the pivot pin on the rear axle. The pivot pin steers the truck and helps the rear wheels move up and down over uneven surfaces. To keep the forklift from turning over, the balance point between the center of gravity of the truck and the center of gravity of the load has to stay inside the stability triangle. The height, the weight, and the length of the load all contribute to the instability of the forklift. If your load isn't properly balanced on the forks, or if you turn too fast, this combined center of gravity may move outside the stability triangle and your truck could overturn.
Kapag alam mo na ang mga basic principles sa pag-drive ng isang forklift, kailangan mo namang kumuha ng isang NC2 na kung saan sinisertipika ka ng TESDA na maging isang ganap na forklift operator. At bago mo ito makuha, kailangan mo munang kumuha ng assessment upang maipasa ito. Maraming klase ng mga assessment center na konektado sa ating TESDA at pwede kang pumili kahit saan man sa gusto mo na malapit syempre sa inyong lugar. At matapos mong maipasa ang assessment na ito, ikaw ay magkakaroon ng isang examination na kung saan ipinapaalam sa iyo kung paano ang iyong mga natutunan ay nai-a-apply ng tama habang ikaw ay isang operator ng forklift. Kaya bago alamin ang lahat, kailangan munang pag-aralan ang mga bagay may kaugnayan sa pagdadrive ng ganitong klaseng heavy equipment upang sa huli maging safe ang iyong paglalakbay sa ganitong klaseng gamit na equipment sa loob ng warehouse.